想说却还没说的还很多，咱这是因为想写成歌，让人轻轻地唱着，淡淡的记着，欲忘了也值了。说不定我一生涓滴一念，侥幸汇成河，然后我俩各自一端，望着大河弯弯，终于敢放胆，嬉皮笑脸面对人生的难。也许我们从未成熟，还没能晓得，就快要老了，尽管心里活着的还是那个年轻人，因为不安而频频回首，无知的索求，羞耻与求救，不知疲倦的翻越每一个山丘，越过山丘，虽然已白了头，喋喋不休，是我予的哀愁，还未如愿见着不朽，就把自己先搞掉，越过山丘，才发现无人等候，喋喋不休，再也换不回温柔。为何记不得上一次是谁给的拥抱，在什么时候？我没有刻意隐藏，也无意让你感伤。多少次我们不醉不欢，咒骂人生太短，唏嘘相见恨晚，让女人把妆哭花了也不管。遗憾我们从未成熟，还没能晓得，就已经老了，尽力却仍不明。She's watching the taxi driver pulls away. She's been locked up inside her apartment 100 days. She says, yeah, you're still coming just a little bit late. He got stuck at the laundromat washing his cape. She's just watching the clouds roll by and they spell a name like Lois Lane, and she smiles. Oh, the way she smiles. She's talking to angels, counting the stars, making a wish on a passing car. She's dancing with strangers, falling apart, waiting for Superman to pick her up in his arms. Waiting for Superman. She's out on the corner trying to catch a glimpse. Nothing's making sense. She's been chasing an answer, a sign lost in the abyss. Miss Metropolis. Yeah, he's still coming just a little bit late. He got stuck at the 5 and dime, saving the day. She says, if life was a movie, then it wouldn't end like this. Left without a kiss.